Now we want to define the term joint probability. This is what we have been looking at already. Joint probability is a probability that measures the likelihood two or more events will happen concurrently. So we talked about kings and hearts, and when will it be both a king and a heart. And then here's another scenario with Disney and Busch, two adventure parks, and when it would be both Disney and Busch Gardens. So when we look at joint probability independent versus dependent, we have our independent events, mutually exclusive, and we would do it with the special rule of addition, right? The probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B. And then our dependent events, where they are not mutually exclusive, we would find it by finding the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B.